how to set a picture as wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up your picture gallery or in the app screen, open up gallery. In here we go back to the gallery homepage and open up a picture. Next, we then open up the pictures and then tap on the more button. From the pop-up menu here, tap on Set as Wallpaper. In here, you can choose to set as lock screen wallpaper, home screen wallpaper, or both lock and home screen wallpaper, or core background. Here I will choose lock and home screen. And then tap on, now you can zoom in or zoom out, or you can move the image around. And then tap on done. And that's it. If you go back to your home screen, you can see this is now the new home screen wallpaper and the lock screen wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.